Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, JD Knoles, and this is an episode of CoolStuff. A little bit different. Since we've been in quarantine here in China, I saw a video on YouTube about making cake, not in an oven, but in a rice cooker. So that's what we're going to do here on Knoles CoolStuff. We're going to try a couple times, see if it can cook in a rice cooker here on Knoles CoolStuff. This is my first attempt at time travel. Whoa, wait, not time travel. Making a cake in a rice cooker. First time for me, but apparently it's the Asian way. Alright, so we're going to see how this turns out. Cooking a cake in a rice cooker. Not an oven, rice cooker. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so there's the cake batter, chocolate cake batter, and we're going to put it into the rice cooker. Like so. Make sure you oil the rice cooker so it won't stick. And we're going to plug it in. Yep, toss the lid up. And instead of bake, cook. See how it works. Alright, my first attempt cooking a cake in a rice cooker did not do so well. It got kind of burnt around the edges and not cooked in the middle. I probably used too much batter. So we're going to try attempt number 2 with half the batter and see if that works. Smells like burnt cake. Alright, so while we're trying to make our second batch cake in the rice cooker, we're going to try to finish the first batch using this method. Alright. Yes, I'm using a pan, a pot, and boiling water to see if we could cook the middle part. Will it work? Will it not work? I don't know. Do you want some of this cake? Remember Wreck-It Ralph? Hey, I made some burnt cake. Alright, here we go. We're going to try it, see how it works. Okay, so we tried to finish the cooking using this method right here. And we're going to see if it's cooked all the way. Still raw cake. Or uncooked cake. Alright, now we're going to try to bake batch number 2, but only use half the batter in the rice cooker and see if that works. Alright guys, we're doing attempt number 2 in baking a cake in a rice cooker. This time we're not going to put all the batter into the rice cooker. We're going to put a little bit at a time and see how much we can cook at a time. We'll probably end up making either 2 layers or maybe a 3-layer cake. So hopefully it works this time and it doesn't burn like last time. Alright, so here's our batter. There's our rice cooker. Alright, let's see if it works. Will it? Will it won't? I don't know. Alright guys, so I cooked it just half the batter and it did come out pretty well so far. So we're going to start the other half and we're going to probably have most likely a 2-layer cake. Look at that, pretty damn nice. Alright guys, so here is our 2-layer cake cooked in a rice cooker. So far, not that bad, but we're going to whip it up and put some frosting on it and decorate it and make it look more presentable. And we'll see how it tastes once we cut it open. Alright, everybody, on Knoles CoolStuff. This is our final product for the cake. Pretty good considering a lot of time in China you can't really find a lot of baking items. But this is what our cake looked like. Using a rice cooker. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notification. I'm your host, JD Knoles, and as always, my followers, be cool.
Okay. Yeah.
That's good cake.
Yeah.
Till next time.
Tomato.